Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandramani Pandey and thank you very much for watching my other videos.
In today's quick video, I will show you how to find all the installed patches or updates on your Windows machine using a simple method called quick fix engineering via enhance inventory in Intune. Whether you are troubleshooting or checking compliance, this is a super easy way to get the information you need. So let's first understand what is quick fix engineering. The Win32 Quick Fix Engineering is a WMI class that represents a small system-wide updates commonly referred as a Quick Fix Engineering, also known as QFE update, which is applied to the current operating systems. This class only returns update supplied by the component-based services, also known as CBS. So in simple terms, this allow you to view quality update installed but not update from Office or other installed software. Now let's first see how we can find the information locally on the machine using a PowerShell script by querying the WMI Quick Fix Engineering classes. And then I will demonstrate how to enable device inventory in Intune to gather quick fix engineering information for each and every devices. Now I am on my client machine and let me quickly paste the PowerShell script to find the install update on this device, and let me run this script. And now we can see that in this device we have 3 update installed, and if you want to verify these updates, let me open the setting apps, and within the setting app we have to go to the Windows apps, and then within Windows app we have to go to the update tree, and then we have to go to the uninstall updates. We are able to see the 2 updates. One is KB5045934, and we can also see the same update in this PowerShell script 5943, and the other one is ends with 6683. We can also see the third one in this location. So locally we can find the install update on the device using the quick fix engineering table. But now let's see how we can find this information using the Intune portal. So right now I am on my Intune portal, and to find the quick fix engineering information, we have to first deploy a configuration profile and enable the inventory. So to do this, we have to go to the devices and we have to create a configuration profile. So I have already created a video on enhance Windows device hardware inventory, and I will provide the link in the description section so that you can understand more about this. For now, just to show you quickly how to do this, we have to quickly create a new policy, and within the policy we have to select the Windows Generator, and then in the policy type we have to select the property catalog and click on create, and then you have to provide the name of the policy, description, and then click on next, and then you have to configure the properties so we can enable all these inventory information. But for this video we are only interested in enabling the Windows QFE. QFE stands for quick fix engineering. We have to select this, and then we can see all the properties within the QFE, and then click on select, and then click on next, and then click on next, and then we have to assign this policy on a particular group. Because I have already created another policy, that's why I'm not going to assign this policy. So once we enable this policy, we have to wait for policy to show their information. And if I open this enhance Windows device hardware inventory information, we can see that this policy is applied on 7 devices. And now what we have to do, we have to go to the devices, and now we have to select the device against which we want to see the quick fix engineering information. So let me select the device, and then we have to select the resource explorer, and within resource explorer if we go down and select the Windows QFE, we can see that all the update installed on the device and their description, and the install by user account, install date, the QFE description, and the last update. can also export this information, and this way we can find the quick fix engineering update in the Intune portal.
I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.